vision important? Vision is important because vision determines who you go with. The vision that you have for your own life, okay, determines actually who you go with. For example, the people sitting here in this room, you had some kind of vision, obviously, to pursue a career in accounting and auditing, all right, and to be in this kind of environment. So you did not go to Barcelona Football Club. You came here. So vision determines who you go with. I'll put it to you another way. Vision determines your friends. Vision determines your friends. What do you mean? Look at the example of Jesus. In Jesus' example, he spent time with the crowds and then he selected 12 disciples to be with him. All right? And then when he did other particular tasks, he selected 3. He selected Peter, James, and John. So it determined who he chose. Okay? So